let me go back to Liz. Liz, you went on national TV then. For 1 hour, you did interview. There was nothing you did. You defamed my character many years ago. I did not use police to be chasing you up and down. I didn't use police to be chasing you up and down. You came for TOYIN Abraham that did nothing to you, lied on her. It was when the matter was too much that she had to come and arrest you so that you can stop. But she did not kill you. She did not come out to say they are going to enter your house and kill you. I did not come out to say I'm going to enter your house and kill you. So what is it? What is this? If there's a problem to settle, if you cannot go to the police station to settle it, you go to court and settle it. It's that simple. But why would they block her account? Why would they take seize? Why would they block her account? Why would they abuse her? Why would they subject her to different kinds of harassment? Seize her phones? All because you have some connections or you know some people. And I see a lot of people saying, oh, yeah, but why are you getting involved? I will get involved. I will get involved because the matter is becoming too much. Just because I came out to say, oh, someone sells bra, her name is Fola Tinubu, you cursed on my children that they were going to die, you cursed on my man, you cursed on me, you called me different kinds of unpretended names, you said I know about Mohbad's dead, you said I'm dating Naira Marley, you said so many things about me, about my children. You defamed my character. And so I decided to take, you to court. Yes. Do you understand? And I was interested to know, why would you rain so much curses on me? I need to understand what is going on. And that's when I got to know that it's because of this lady Fola. And I can see that she's helpless. She doesn't have anyone to fight for her. And the few people that are trying to fight for her, these few people that are trying to help her, to support her, you are also coming for them. So, because she has an issue with you now, people cannot contribute money for her and do things for her. Because she has an issue with you, people can't do things for her. Who said that? Where is that in this law, in this country, that people cannot do things for somebody because she's having issues with you? And then that is what gave you the boldness to say that because you have written over 40 petitions, you will go into their houses and kill them, and say that because you are frustrated. You will go into houses of people that you have issues with, LIZZY ANJORIN, and slaughter them, and say that you will give a son 10 million naira in Nigeria. No. That's not possible. I beg to disagree that there's any law like that, until the government can come out to tell me that there's indeed a law like that. Polaris Bank needs to explain why this lady's account was blocked. The police people in Alagbon needs to explain why her account was blocked. If truly that she has won this case before, if truly that this girl is ready to come, this woman is ready to come and go for DNA test, if truly all this is happening and this injustice keeps happening in this our country, I would refuse to keep quiet. I am not going to keep quiet. I would never keep quiet. I've told you people, it's never going to happen. It's never going to happen. You come out, LIZZY ANJORIN, every day to do videos. You have done over 500 videos for me because I have lost count of your videos. But yet you will still come out and say, hey, some people are blackmailing you, some people are doing this. You come and play manipulation every day on social media. Every day on social media, you come and play manipulation. Every day on social media. But yet, you are the same person that has come out to boldly say that you will go into people's houses and begin to slaughter them. And Nigeria is sitting down and watching you, putting their hands there and acting like they don't hear. I am sure I have over 6 point something million people following my page. I don't want to hear that you people did not hear this. So, our honorable governor, this is a threat to life. LIZZY ANJORIN did a video threatening the life of Fola, Dorcas, Mama Ezabod, and anybody that is doing adverts for them, because she claims that she has written over 40 petitions. The IG of police, I have sent you that video. The IG in Abuja, I have sent you that video. IG Idowu, I have sent you that video. You people should not come and say that you did not hear this. So that means even my own life safe, that me and her we are going to court is not safe. That means tomorrow, if anything happens to me, you people should hold Lizzy Anjorin responsible for that. You people should hold Lizzy Anjorin responsible if anything should happen to the life of Fola Tinubu and Iyabo Ojo and all the numerous people that she has mentioned in that her video, that she would go into their houses and kill them one by one, and the only thing they're going to pay for is 10 million naira to a son. She has said she does not want your husband. She has left the husband for you. She has said that she's ready to go for a DNA test if need be. She has said it. She has said it. And she has said it again, that if you people are, if the husband is not ready to take care of the children, she would take care of her children herself. So what is the problem? If somebody, Lizzy Anjorin, you have said a lot of defamatory things about me. You have lied so many things. You have said, every time you clips claiming you have evidence, but the evidence, you never show it. The evidence, you have never showed it. But even as much as you have defamed me so badly, I have done the needful, which is to take the matter to court and to report the case. I have reported the case and I have taken the matter to court. Do you see me coming out to defame you? Do you see me coming out to lie on your head, to call you unpretended names? No. So if you have a problem, you take that problem to the right authorities. You don't come on social media and say, oh, because you have taken the matter to the right authorities and they are not doing anything, you are going to take laws into your own hands and you're going to kill them. You shouldn't say that. And I would really appreciate our governor, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, our president, Baba Tinubu, the IG, all the police, all the right people in authority, women affairs in this country. I need you people to stand up for this lady, because nothing must happen to her. I need all the right authorities, all the right organizations to get up for her and fight for her. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Let her breathe. Take it to the right authorities. The matter is going to court. Allow it go to court. Stop coming on social media to be threatening, to be raining a lot of these things, saying you are fighting for Yoruba. I don't know who sent you to advocate for you. There's nothing wrong with Yoruba. I'm a Yoruba lady. We are very happy. There is nothing wrong with us. Stop manipulating the issue. Stop threatening this lady's life. A lady went to court and they put her into an accuser's car. How is that done? Took her phone, blocked her account, threatening her up and down. You come out every day and say blackmailer, 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 blackmailer. If you have anybody that is blackmailing you, take it to the right authorities. If you have evidence, take it to the right authorities. You say you are doing police work. The police send you message to do their job. Take it to the right authorities. Let them do the needful. You can't come on social media and be threatening people's life. Anywhere this lady is, you use police to arrest them. And Oga officer, look at officer again, no.
Mr. Abologi at Tony.
Oga Bologi of Panti and Mr. Tony of Panti. Please. No,
Alagbon.
Sorry, Alagbon. Oga Bologi of Alagbon and Mr. Tony of Alagbon. Please. Our respectable AIG Idowu, sir, you guys should please call them to order. Because this matter, we will take it up. The police are supposed to be our friend. They are not supposed to be biased. They are supposed to protect the lives and property of citizens. They should not be used to threaten anybody. No. There is no Nigeria that is more than any other Nigeria. We say we are in democracy. We should learn to practice what we preach. We should learn to practice what we preach. And we